In this video, I'm going to show you how to download an invoice from Namecheap step by step, in the fastest and easiest way possible. If you've ever needed a receipt for bookkeeping, taxes, client records, or just your own organization, this tutorial will help you find and download the PDF invoice in just a few clicks. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and log into your Namecheap account. You can do this from the main Namecheap website by entering your username and password, as usual. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your account dashboard where all of your account settings and billing information are stored. Now look over to the left-hand side menu. This is where Namecheap keeps the main account navigation options. From that menu, click on Profile. This section contains your personal account details and related settings including billing and purchase history. After that, click on Billing. This is the area where you'll find your payment history, invoices, and order records. If you've made multiple purchases through Namecheap, this is the section you'll use to locate the exact invoice you need. Once you're inside Billing, look for the History section. Under History, you'll see Orders. This is where Namecheap stores your previous purchases and transactions. To view everything available, click View All next to Orders. That will open the full list of your order history, so you can search through older and newer purchases. Now scroll through the list and find the order you want to download the invoice for. If you've bought domains, hosting, SSL certificates, or any other services, each order should appear here with its details. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one, especially if you have several purchases with similar dates. When you find the right order, look for the drop-down icon next to the order details. Click that drop-down to expand the available options for that transaction. This is where Namecheap gives you access to extra actions related to the order, including the invoice download. From the drop-down options, click Download PDF. Namecheap will then generate and download the invoice as a PDF file to your device. Depending on your browser settings, the file may download automatically to your Downloads folder, or you may be asked where you want to save it. Once the PDF is downloaded, you can open it, print it, email it, or upload it wherever you need it for your records. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded an invoice from Namecheap. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.